Bonjour tout le monde. I know my voice is still, désolé, I apologize. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi le 9 octobre. Et once again, just a reminder about your Quick Write portfolio. This will take you back to the slide earlier in the slideshow that details that. La question de la semaine, you will use that as well as le mot de passe, as well as some TPR, as usual, to complete your weekly video. So I'll talk about that momentarily. Aujourd'hui dans l'histoire, il y a une discussion. And then, like I said, this, really, les gestes TPR, you're just going to be using to, to practice for your weekly video. And then I would like you to also continue to practice with the numbers from 20 up to 50, and also review our personne spéciale vocab, because we're going to be seeing that again when we start talking about our character, la grenouille, the frog, a little bit later. Okay, aujourd'hui dans l'histoire. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi le 9 octobre, et le 9 octobre, c'est l'anniversaire de France Gall. Elle s'appelle France Gall. France Gall est née, was born, en 1947, et elle est morte, died, le 7 octobre 2018. Elle était, was, une chanteuse célèbre. Chanteuse. Okay, so we know from our TPR that chante means sing. Chanteuse, singer. Elle était une chanteuse célèbre, famous singer, qui a gagné, won, le concours de l'Eurovision. L'Eurovision, le concours de l'Eurovision, that in English we call it the Eurovision Song Contest, and it's something that takes place every year. Here's a little explanation en français. L'Eurovision a commencé, began, en 1956, et beaucoup de pays, lots of countries, participent au concours. So there are many countries that participate, most of which are actually from Europe, hence the name Eurovision, but some are not European. Israel has participated, Australia has participated, so it's not absolutely necessary that the countries be located in Europe to participate in the Eurovision contest. Okay, in case you're curious about le concours de l'Eurovision, voilà la chanson de France Gall en, oops, this is a typo. I meant to say 1965. L'Eurovision a commencé en 1956, mais France Gall a participé en 1965. Et voilà la chanson qui représente la France en 2024. So if you even just quickly look at each of these, it's pretty incredible the amount of change that has happened between very early in the contest, l'Eurovision, and today. So just interesting to see. Okay, maintenant, les questions. You can answer, répondez en anglais. Why was France Gall famous? What did she do? And then when was the first Eurovision contest? What year? So you'll answer those in Schoology as usual. Weekly video can also be found in Schoology, so let's use that as a little segue. So you're going to create a video with the following. Bonjour, mot de passe, qu'est-ce que tu as acheté ce week-end? La classe, or rather, je saute, je mange, je joue, au revoir. I'm actually going to go back to the slides because I want to show you where we can find the answer to la question de la semaine. So when we go to this Canva, qu'est-ce que tu as acheté ce week-end? So when you answer that question, you're going to start with j'ai acheté and then answer with whatever is in here. The only exception to that would be if you're in the rien, nothing category, in which case you would say je n'ai rien acheté. Pardon, je n'ai rien acheté. Otherwise, you're going to say j'ai acheté de la nourriture. J'ai acheté des vêtements. J'ai acheté un livre. J'ai acheté un appareil électronique. That's a little bit tricky. Un appareil just means that like a thing. Électronique, so an electronic device of some sort. Des chaussures. J'ai acheté des chaussures. Voilà, des chaussures. Okay. So when you are, actually, let's go through the entire thing now. Okay, so your video can sound something like this. Bonjour. Le mot de passe. Moi aussi. Qu'est-ce que tu as acheté ce week-end? J'ai acheté de la nourriture. Je saute. Je mange. Je joue. Au revoir. Okay, so that's approximately what your video should sound like. And then lastly, today we just have this vocab for la personne spéciale. You hopefully used it either looking at it like this or in Quizlet form before you filled out the Google form yesterday about our new character to refamiliarize yourself with those questions and possible answers. Okay, et c'est tout. Once you have finished your discussion et la vidéo, as well as reviewed that vocab, you are finished pour aujourd'hui. Au revoir tout le monde.